Postma is doing some very innovative things, and we've been given exclusive access to the now famous Postma training camp, where the team is preparing for the winter heating season like they never have before.
Postma's ready to brave the cold!
Postma's ready to brave the cold!
We aim for perfection.
And perfection takes practice.
This year's been really intense. They even got rid of an exercise from last year.
Okay, I'm ready.
But we don't talk about that anymore.
Down, up, down, up.
They've expanded the training this year. Even the office team is involved now.
Hello?
Nice. Good improvement. Let's do this 50 more times.
Whether you're booking a furnace maintenance, a repair, or a full replacement, call Postma today.
We've been training for your